Hi Momshi! Hope all is well. I just want to share na last night nakapag-bake ulit ako nitong chocolate chip cookies. And while baking, I got reminded again of the life lesson, persistence is key. Yung tipong even if maraming setbacks, even if maraming mga hadlang, or you think na imposible na, if you really want something, magagawa mo siya. Mangyayari siya if you really put your heart into it. Case in point, my son was asking for this chocolate chip cookies. Like, siguro mga 2 weeks na. Pero dahil sobrang busy ko, hindi ko nagagawa. Pero dahil sobrang kulit niya at sobrang craving at like na like talaga niya itong chocolate chip cookies, ayan, I finally gave in at nagkaroon ako ng time. So kung hindi siya nangulit, hindi siya naging persistent, wala siyang chocolate chip cookies ngayon. Kaya kung ano man ang goal mo ngayon, just be persistent.